Well, right now, emergency workers and first responders from the volunteer state are in Florida helping to pick up the pieces after Hurricane Ian. Here's a look at before and after photos in Florida to give you a sense of the damage that they're dealing with there. We spoke with one of those people lending a hand. It's Jim Bean. He is the Emergency Management Agency Director for Sullivan County. While he's not on the front line right now, he is helping to organize dispatchers and first responders out of Tallahassee's Emergency Operations Center. He says the disaster in Florida is bigger than anything that he has ever worked on before.
There's an enormous amount of resources that are in the state of Florida, both local, state, and federal, that are assisting the people down here, from emergency services, utilities.
Bean says most first responders are only deployed for 14-day shifts for disasters like this, so his work is mostly focused on organizing teams entering and leaving Florida. If you'd like to assist with recovery efforts for hurricane survivors in Florida, we're partnering with our sister station WFLA to send donations to the Red Cross. You can take out your phone right now, open up that camera app, and scan the QR code right there on your screen to donate.